State asigi Assembly Constituency humpugi final photo electoral roll ngasi Phongkhre draft electoral roll dagi voter masing lising taramapan ga satret kuntaret hengatuna apunba voter masing lakun lising yang mariga sahum marifutaret oirei. Hojik phawbi goina Manipur da delimitation tawbugi sabsabu wafam leitri haina Chief Electoral Officer Manipur Pradip Kumar Jana Phongkhre. Lamphel da leiba Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur gi office ta pangthokpa thoramda final photo electoral roll adu CEO Manipur Pradip Kumar Jana haunabi matungina Phongkhre. Final photo electoral roll gi matungina lisingani kunmari gi October gi tang kunmapan da phongkiba draft electoral roll lisingani kunmanga da gender ratio lisingamaga sumna humpumapan oikibadu lisingamaga sumna humbudra da leike. Electoral population ratio na sada yankhai manga dasmik ahum taret oike. Draft electoral roll lisingani kunmanga da voter masing lakun lising kuntra mariga satruk humpu oikiba adu dagi voter masing lising taramapan ga satret kuntaret hengat ke. Chief campaign amasung revision period ke manungda nupa lising tarahumdoi sahumga nipunipan nupi lising taraturuk ka samga taranipan amasung third gender ani yauraga punna miyoi lising kunmapan ga samri humpunipan nauna enroll tauke. Amaromda revision period manungda elector lising mapan ga satret nipumathoi lauthoke. Final electoral roll da enroll taukiba service elector na nupa lising kunga samga kuntramathoi amasung nupi lising amaga sumna taratret yaurga punna elector lising kunmathoi ga samga nipuni state asigi oina Imphal West district ta elector masing khwaidigi yamna lakh ahum lising marifu mariga samaga humbadra taruk oike masigi manungda nupa na lakh ama lising marifu nithoi sani kunithoi ni nupina lakh ani lising amaga sanipan humpumanga na aduga third gender na marifu mapan ne Amaromda None district na elector masing khwaidigi yamdana lising kunmapan ga samapan kunthramdoi oike masigi manungda nupa na lising tara mariga samari humbadra mari aduga nupi na lising tara mangaga samari yankhai mapan ne state asigi oina third gender ge apunba elector na sani ga humpuni pan ne final photo electoral roll phongladuna CEO Manipur Pradip Kumar Jana hai hojik phawbagi oina state asida delimitation tawbagi sabsabu wafam leitre. Final photo electoral roll asi Election Commission of India ECI na leplakpa matamgi matungina phongbani. Final electoral roll asida elector amata Assembly Constituency hongdokpa leite adubo masa na apambagi matungina se sang matriksa na puthoklabadi hongdok hongjin tawbada akaiba leite. Amaromda elector sing amadi political party singi mihut singna electoral roll asi electoral registration officer natragana assistant electoral registration officer gi office tagi yenglaga summi lali khangdokpa yagani. Chief Electoral Officer Manipur ki website ceomanipur.nic.in dagi su yengba yagani. Assembly Constituency khudimaki coffee amamamsu sakhangnaba national amadi state ki political party singda sel lauduna phangangani haina CEO na makha takhi.
The final photo electoral rolls of all 60 assembly constituencies have been published today, that is on the 6th of January 2025, by the concerned electoral registration officers. The gender ratio of the Manipur state has risen from 1069 to 1070. It's a very positive development. The elector population ratio also is now recorded at 55.37% as compared to 54.84% during the draft publication of the electoral roll. After the final publication of the final electoral rolls is 20,54,387, and there is a net increase of 19,727 voters after this exercise. So the total new voters who have been enrolled is 29,468, where 13,348 male, 16,118 female, and 2 third gender electors have been enrolled. 741 electors have been deleted from the electoral roll during the revision period,